It's a 2015 Chrysler 300. From its sculpted curves to its bold wheels, the pride in what you drive begins before you even open the door to the luxurious interior. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where top-flight engineering meets affordable luxury. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.